Hello children, how are you all? I hope fine. This you can see on your screen, all of you, what I planned. That actually I've seen many children, many students are not having good legible handwriting. So I thought to do something for them, and that's why I wanted to do something different. But anyhow, whatever sources are available with me, I'm trying to improve your handwriting through this cursive writing tutorials. And you can see that on the screen you can see some letters over there, alphabets, but they are not like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H in that order, from A to Z, not in order. You can see that C, A, D, G, Q, O, E, L, B, H, K, F, I, J, P, P, N, M, U, Y, V, W, X, Z, R, S. You see, this is having a purpose why I have written it in this order, because every letter, you see, if we see C, all of you can see C, and it is in which way it is written. All the letters in that line A, D, G, Q, O are written in the same pattern. Followed, and that's why I have selected this way. I have made it in different stroke wise, and then E, L, B, H, K, F. E is E, L, B, H, K, F. These are loop letters, and they are having a loop. You can see in between there is a space in between. You see everywhere, and that's why they are called loop letters. And then these are loopless, without loops. They are also in the same way pattern written, but no loop on top. They will go up and come down. And then these are different curved letters. And you one by one, I'm going to each row. I will make a video and put it up for you how it has to be written. So very soon I'm going to do this, and you will, I hope, benefit by this video of mine. So after we complete till S, the same pattern rows, no, after that then I will show you how we should join the letters, how we should not break in between. Continuation should be there, and that's why you see your handwriting will be very good if we follow this rule. Followed? Then I will show you orderly way how it is written. A, B, C, D. For 4, 3, 3 letters I will take and make you write. I will show you with the video how to write. And then finally here all the alphabets in one line. Those who are able to complete the A to Z in one line, their handwriting is going to be very good. So that's why we will try how to complete it in one line. And then capital letters I will teach you, A to Z, and finally together, capital and small letters together, A to Z. Understood? So one by one I will be putting up the videos to show you how to write. So I hope you will enjoy this and you will benefit through these videos, and many of you will be able to improve your handwriting. Even grown-ups also. Don't think that once your handwriting is formed, it can never be changed. It can be changed anytime, but only thing you have to have the will. If you have the will, anything can be done anytime at any age. So I hope you will enjoy these videos and you will try to improve your handwriting. So be good and do well always. Bye. See children, these are the 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I'm going to start with first, C. So I'm keeping my pen on the 3rd line and I go to second line and then come back to the 3rd line and go to the 2nd line like this. This is C. If you are able to write C, you will be able to write other letters of the same stroke. Once again, I am writing C. See here, all of you. On the line, third line, go to second line, come back to the third line like this in a rounded way and go to the second line. Now same way you will write what? A. Make a C like this only, from third to second line, then second, come back like this and join it here and come like this and turn like this. A. Again, once again C, this way, then come back to the third line, make a round like this, join it and bring it like this. A. Same way you will write D. Make a C from third line to second line to which line? Third line, and go up and bring it down to the third line, D. Again we will write D, make a C. If you know to write C, you will be able to write all these letters. They are having the same strokes, same way of writing. Followed? Now we will write G. Make a C like this between second and third line. Join it like how you join for A and come down like this to the fourth line and turn inside. Followed? Again, see, G, make a C first, then make like for A, come down to fourth line, turn inside and go out like this, G. Now we will write Q. How you write Q? See, from the third line we will go to second line, make C, then A, come down to the fourth line and go like this. Understood? Again C. First make a C and come down like this to the fourth line and go like this. All these letters start from the third line. Understood? All these letters start from the third line. Now we will write O. For O, little bit, you see, you have to concentrate. Make a C, rounds nicely, go up where it went in the second line, get inside like this and come out. Understood? Again, just see how you make O, make a C, come like this round and go like this inside and bring it out. Understood, children? So this much if you do for 2 days or 3 days, you will be able to write CADGQO. Then I will take up the next lesson. So I hope children you all are able to write CADGQO. Understood? And now I am going to start another type of letter. These letters are called loop letters, and you have to again keep the pencil on the third line and you will go to second line like this in a slanting way, turn and then come to the third line like this. This is E. These are called loop letters. Followed? They have a loop here. So we will see all the loop letters here. Again we will start, we will go to the third line and now we will take a pencil to the second line, come to the third line like this and turn like this, E. Followed? Now we will like how we have written E, but little bigger in size it will be. This is L. We will start L. Which letter? L. From the third line we go up, turn left, come down straight now, and turn right like this. L. Again from the third line, go in a slanting way to first line, come straight to the third line and turn like this. L. Now, like how we have written L, we will write the next letter, that is B. And how we write B? Same like how we have written L. Follow? So you'll keep the pencil on the third line, go up to the first line in slanting way, come straight like this, and then turn like this rightwards, and go up and turn inside like how you turn for O, no, and bring it out. B. Understood? Again from the third line to first line in a slanting way, come straight, turn right, go up to the second line and turn inside and bring it out. B. Have you followed? And now what we will write? E, L, B. After B we will write H. Same, you will keep the pencil on the third line, go up in a slanting way to the first line, turn left, come down straight to the third line, go on that same line up again to the second line and turn like this and bring it like this. H. I hope you have understood this. How we write H? Same stroke is there. We'll start with the third line, go slanting way, come straight, and you can turn like this and like this. H. E, L, B, H. And now you see we will write the next letter, that is K. K. K for kite. You will go from the third line up again to the first line, come down straight, go up like how you went for H, and then turn like this, make one round and come like this. K. Again we will start from the third line, go up to the first line, come straight to the third line, go up again to the second line and then turn like this in a rounded way and bring it like this. K. Now this letter which we are going to start, this is also the same way you have to write, but it comes on, we use all the 4 lines for this letter, that is F. From the third line we go in a slanting way to the first line, come down straight to the fourth line and turn like this and bring it in between the second and third line like this. Again from the third line, go up to the first line in a slanting way, come straight to where? To fourth line, turn it like this and this way bring it out like this. Understood? F. E, L, B, H, K, F. You have learned how many letters now? So till yesterday I had taught you how to write what? C, A, D, G, Q, O, E, L, B, H, K, F. No? And now today let me try for you another letter which are having the same strokes. So we will see that these letters are what? What are these letters? I told you we will have I. We'll keep the pencil on the third line, go to the second line and come on it like this. This is, and put the dot I. Then next letter, same stroke one, same way you will go to second line, but now you have to come to the fourth line and turn like this left and go like this out and put the dot, small j. Now we are going to write T. T for tap. So again keep the pencil on the third line, but you have to go to the first line now and come back on the same line to the third line and turn like this. And then what you will do, you will cut this T. What you will do, you will cut it like this. And now we are going to write P. P, usually children make a lot of mistake in writing P. You make your P like H always, but it is not like H. H has a loop, P does not have a loop. Now you have to go from the third line to the first line and then come to the fourth line. Then over it you go back to the second line and turn like this. What is this? P. Followed? Again we will repeat. See? From the third line to second line, come back to the third line, put the dot. Then again for J, from the third line to second line, come to the fourth line, turn left and take it out like this, J. Then T, from the third line to first line and from first line to where? Third line back. See, there is no loop here. If you make a loop, it will look like L. Followed? And in P, if you make a loop, it will look like H. So don't make loop in P. Without loop, P, you go from the third line to first line, come back and then again go back on it, and this way you make P. Understood, children? So this is how you have to write I, J, T, P. Followed? I hope you have understood this much, and then I will take up the next letters. Followed? Now see, children, we are going to take up the next letters after I, J, T, P. Loop letters over, loopless letter over. Now these are the curved letters which we began from the third line this way and came like this. Again I will show you. N, from the third line to second line, then come like this, then again this way. Followed? N. And same way we will write M. From the third line to second line, come like this, go on it back and make like an N, and then go back on it and this way M. Follow, children? Then again from the third line to second line, and from second line go back again, make one N over here and then over it, and this is M. Then after that we will write U. U for umbrella. You see, same way you will put same pattern, curved ones these are. You will go to second line from third line like this, and then from the second line you come down, turn it like this and come down U. Same way again, from the third line to second line, come to this third line back, go like this in a rounded way, come back on it and turn like this, make a tail like this. Follow? Yes, after U we will write what? Y. What we will write? Y. Same like U, only you will write this way, then come down, make like U, but then come straight to the fourth line, turn left like this and take it out. Follow? Again Y, this way like U, and then come down, and this way, Y. Understood? Then you will write V. Same way you take, come down this way and go up and turn inside like this and come out, V. From the third line to second line, come like this. Don't make it too much rounded. Go inside like this, V. And then you will write W. Like how you wrote U, like this you make one U. And from here again you take it up and inside, like from V you made, no, like that. Same way again, another W we make. From this third line to second line, come like this, make U, and instead of going like this and only making one tail, no, you take it like this up to the second line and take inside and bring it out. Understood? So children, see what we will write now. We will write the next letter, that is V. Already over, W over, and next what you will write? X. You see, like this you take it. From this you take it to the second line and come back. You don't have to leave it. Followed? From the third line you take it in a rounded way like this, and then take it back to the second line and come like this, like a C, and this way, X. Once more, if you want me to write, I will write again. Same way, from the third line to the second line, this way in a rounded way come, and from here itself go to the second line, come back this way, X. And now we will write same like how you have made this stroke. We will make the next letter what? We have finished V, W, X, and now Z. Same like how we made for what? X. But bring it like this and turn like this. Followed? From the third line to second line, make it little in a rounded way, and then bring it to the fourth line and turn inside and go out. Z. Feeling difficult? I hope no. See again, like this. Then take it to the fourth line, go inside and turn out. Understood, children? This much? So after this I will take you that how we make R. From the third line go to the second line, turn left like this, and like in a circle take it like this round, and then bring it from the to the second line and come to the third line like this, R. Again, from third line go to second line, turn like this and come out like this, and then turn like this, R. Followed? Again, see, from third line to second line, turn like this, bring it here and R. And now S. What we will write? S. You will take it like this in a slanting way, take it inside like this and bring like this. So is it clear? From third line go to second line in a slanting way, turn towards the left, bring it like this, go in a rounded way and come out like this. Again we will write S. From third line to second line, turn like this and like this and like this. Follow, children? How you have to write, you have understood, I'm sure. So children, we have finished all the 26 alphabets, and now I'm going to teach you how to join these letters. So first we will take with C. One C you write, another C you join like this, and then another C you join. 3 times you join and you see. No lifting your hand when you are writing cursive. So hand should not be lifted. Only in certain places we lift our hands. That I will show you, tell you where and how you must do it. C. Now same way we will write A, make a C, go rounded way, A, another from this tail, another A like this, and like this another A. So if, see, did you see, I lifted my hand after I finished this last A. Followed? Then D we will write. C, go up like this, come down, and then again C, go up, come down to third line, and again C, and go up, come down to third line. D. So did I lift my hand? No, I did not lift my hand. I just kept on writing till the end here. And then what is the next one? G. Make C, go like this, join it, come down to the fourth line, turn inside, come out like this. From this only another G you will join. Again another G from here. So easy it is. Followed? Some children feel so difficult in writing, cursive writing, and all sorts of wrong strokes. So G. Now we will make Q. Make C, go, close it, come down, turn and go up to the second line like this to make another Q. Followed? Then take it like this, another Q, this way, Q, over. Followed? So don't be afraid. Now we will write the next letter, O. Make a C, go inside, come out to the second line, make a C again, and then go inside, come out, another C, and then go inside and come out this way. Followed?